There's a new update to cloudpc so whenever there is a model interaction or a agent interaction is happening, all those interactions are logged in the API client section of this page of this website. So let me submit this final prompt and I'll show how that looks. So okay, it encountered some issues. Let me refresh. I'll clear and resubmit this. Let me turn on the agent mode and let me see what agents are running. So I need Angular and Selenium for this. Let's see if it picks those or not. So let me run this. So it created an Angular component, checking the health of API. Okay, completed. Let's see which all tools it picked. So this is a kind of very big response, so it's not that much user friendly. But if you want to debug what all calls happened and what all things it did, you can go to this API client section, and here two collections will get created if there was not any of these existing. But if it was existing, it will just append request into this one. So you can see agent calls. One agent call was made, Angular connector. It did not use the Selenium, even though it was required. And then model calls. It did Olama Cloud Local API, which I was already connected to. So just these two components were called. Let's try to make it hit Selenium connector as well. So let me give it some another prompt. It had some failure, so it did not recover from that. Let me clear this chat. Let me rephrase this. So earlier it was create an Angular component of your choice. Instead of that, I asked it to create an Angular component for a train booking website and test it to see all elements are showing or not. So let's see if it works. Okay, this time I did not choose the agent mode. That's why it is giving this kind of response. Let me copy this and clear this up and choose agent mode. Okay, so it looks like it is making a Selenium WebDriver connection, call this time. So there is a component creation as well as Selenium. Let's see if the final prompt. Okay, I have created tested. Let's say this is the booking page website. The page link. Let's try this. Train ticket booking. This is there. Train ticket booking. Local. Okay, so it's giving incorrect URL. It's missing the port number. Localhost 4200. So just go to any of these. So some errors are there, but because it was not able to fetch the URL properly, so it was not able to fix it also. But yeah, let's go to API client and we'll be able to see the calls that it made. So this time it has made call to Angular connector, and this was the request. This was for creating the component, and this is the Selenium connector for making a Selenium call to actually view the website. This call would have failed. That's why it was not able to fix the final error. And this was the model call. So it called this prompt and using this cognitive model. It is not capturing response, and this is an API client, so you should be able to resend it to see what it responds now to understand how it processes the responses from coming from these. Yeah, that's it for this video.